Everyone, it's me with the friendly reminder not to be afraid to move your pelvis. So often our sacrum gets really stuck, our pelvis gets really stuck. We hold so much tension on our upper bodies that it just gets translated into our lower bodies. So one of the best moves is for cat and cow. Seated cat and cow. Bring your fingers to your hip points. We're going to rock our hip points powerfully forward, but we're not going to lose that integrity of the spine by lifting up. And then as you exhale, you're going to tuck the tail, and then you're going to round the spine down. So we're going to move the hip points into the fingers, inhaling. Draw the hip points away from the fingers, exhaling. So inhaling, fingertips can wrap around the fronts of the knees, elbows in. Exhale, elbows wide. So strong core, strong lifting up and out of the hip girdle in both directions. Moving every vertebra, hollowing out the belly, hollowing out the back, moving as big or as little as you want, but the pelvis is actively rocking using all the muscles in the sides of the waist, the hips, the belly.